straight. Yep. You good? Straighten out.
My bank account got hacked today too.
Yeah, I got a thing. It was like, you logged in from Brazil. No, I didn't.
What were they doing?
They were trying.
Amazon.
I'm guessing it was from there. Joe. White F-150. Those are code 3s, or are we doing Phoenix? Code 3.
Admit, it's kind of comfy under there on the ground.
It's so cold.
You're grounding right now.
It's so cold. Feels good.
Does that stick out too far?
Yeah.
Fudge. You want to come under? It's actually really cool. Here, and here.
Yeah.
Are big 6-inch wide metal brackets to hold the
Nice.
thing up.
Okay.
So we can actually drill and tap right up into those.
Okay.
Built for comfort, not for speed.
Break out your T-square.
I have it. I have a machinist square.
What are you working on?
We're going to program a Phoenix Quantum stick. We got to log in. Okay, cut the camera. Come back into the world. Okay, so whenever you do that, it tells you single color unlocked, dual color, tricolor, quad, or quint. So of course you have 1 color, 2 color, 3 color, 4 color, 5 color. You can have red, amber, white, blue, and green. So this customer only has the single color unlocked. So once you go into there, you're going to go into configure or quantum. Tells us where the wire is going to exit. So I want the wires to exit to the back of the vehicle. So I'm going to just come in here and I'm going to go red, 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 red. Okay, and since there's no other colors to deal with, we're going to go to next. We're going to choose an input wire, which is input wire 1. We want a flashing pattern. We're going to select a pattern of attack, which I kind of like, and a brightness of 100. We're going to program our device. It's going through the interwebs and go doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Satellites are falling out of orbit. NORAD's going crazy right now. Oh, they approved. Successfully programmed our device, and now we could actually check it on here by clicking the live mode. So it shows us what's happening on the stick.
On the stick.
And on the screen.
On the stick.
The stick.
So that one's programmed. They are only getting 1 color, correct?
Yeah, that's all there is.
Now here's the cool part, come here, about the quantum. You can actually go back, clear the input, go back. Now, the cool part about this is this has all 5 colors in it. So let's just say I wanted to do all green. Actually, just for the sake of our viewers out there, we are going to we'll go with an arrow direction in green. Let's go center out combo and 100% program device. Like I said, satellites are falling out of orbit and bad stuff's happening. You know, nuclear overloads, and we're ready. So then all of a sudden we can check it, and now we have a green bar.
I gotta make sure the patterns are the same. Like a good boy.
Hey Joe, it's your favorite kind of radio. ICOM.
No, the same thing.
No, little.
Oh, that's a Kenwood. That's the same
Yeah.
faceplate and everything.
That's when the yawn hits hard.